You know, I've been sitting around since March 12th in self-isolation from the whole world. And one day, I decided I'm going to have to get up and get something done because I can't keep going like this. At least do something that's going to help me a little bit. So I've been binge watching YouTube, sometimes Netflix. And there it was, early March, springtime in East Texas. And I can't do anything because I can't go anywhere. So one day in early April, I went to a garden center where I could be outside. And I found plants and seeds, and I decided, well, may as well make a garden, even if I do it wrong. And here's what I did. Let's check it out. I bought seeds, I bought some potting mix, I bought some buckets from Home Depot. All the time I can be outside in the fresh air, even wearing a mask. So I went online to a Facebook page and I found a guy who can furnish me with pallets. And I ordered 10 from him and he delivered them. And I laid them down here, and boy, let me tell you something. That was no easy task, because I am, after all, 72 years old. But I got them down. In the process, I hurt my back really bad, but that's another video for another day. And so what I did was lay them down in here, get my potting soil, I almost fell, and my buckets, and some old headboards and lattice, and everything I could think of, even if I did it wrong. Now, I'm certainly not a master gardener. About 30 years ago, I had a wonderful garden. My husband would till a plot for me, and I'd plant, and I'd work out there from sun up to sundown, and I had a great time. It was a lot of fun. Got some vitamin D, and grew a fantastic garden. I had everything you could think of, from cantaloupe to turnip greens to squash to tomatoes. And look what I did. Old cinder blocks, an old headboard. That's my trellis. I used everything I could think of. This was an old cabinet my son had on his porch, and he didn't want it anymore, so he got it up here for me. And there I've got bush beans and spring onions. There's my little pots of carrots. It's going to be hard to see of this. I'm sorry about that. I am not a professional YouTube person. I guess you can pretty much tell that without me having to say so. But I tell you what, I enjoy doing this. It sort of gives me a purpose. I'm like a little kid. I run out here every day to see what's sprouted. Oops, here comes the wind. And when all these little carrots came up, I couldn't believe it. I'm like, oh my God, look, I've got them over here too. My point is, no, I'm not real good at this, but I'm doing what I can with what I have. And I'm enjoying the heck out of it. And I'm not stuck in the house, and I'm not feeling defeated. And I feel like I have a purpose, because I can share. If I have any vegetables, who knows? Maybe I won't. Maybe everything is just going to curl up and die. If so, that's okay too. At least I know I have done my best. So get up, get out, and do something, even if it's wrong.